You're at the gate, boarding pass in hand, and suddenly the agent says 4 words no traveler wants to hear. "I'm sorry, you're bumped." It happens to thousands of seniors every single year. But that's not even the worst part, because I'm about to expose 8 hidden airline policies that Delta, United, and American use to bump seniors and charge fees you never saw coming. And here's the kicker. The trick that protects you on Delta could cost you hundreds on United. So stick with me for the next few minutes and you'll have the one line that gets your seat back instantly. Don't skip this. Let's go. Number 1. Overbooking algorithms. Let me start with the one that hurts the most. United uses algorithms that rank passengers by profit value. Frequent flyers matter. Your inventory. Over 50,000 seniors got bumped in 2024. Why? No elite status. Here's what to do. Check in exactly 24 hours before departure. That check-in time is a tiebreaker in their system. Set an alarm. Pay $15 to $30 for seat selection. When you buy a seat, you're locked in. The airline can't shuffle you without admitting they oversold. Book directly with the airline, not Expedia. Third-party sites make you invisible to the airline. Pro tip: call the gate at check-in and ask directly, "Is this flight oversold?" If yes, ask about compensation up front. You'll know your options before the chaos. Number 2. Carry-on weight caps. Here's the trap that costs more seniors money than anything else. American Airlines regional flights enforce secret weight limits on carry-ons. 22 pounds. Limit is 20. That's $35 to check it. Regional flights under 76 seats can enforce weight monitoring. They bury this in fine print. Here's what to do. Weigh your carry-on at home. Target 15 pounds maximum. That's your safety buffer. Go to your airline's website and search regional flight baggage restrictions. Write down the exact weight limit. Pack essentials in a separate personal item. Every airline allows 1 personal item plus 1 carry-on. Your medications, glasses, chargers, personal item. That way your critical stuff stays with you. Call 48 hours before your flight and ask directly, "Does my flight have a weight limit?" The agent will give you the exact number. Pro tip: if charged anyway, ask for a supervisor. Many waive fees for seniors. Number 3. Medical equipment approval. Now listen, this one stops seniors from boarding entirely. Delta, United, Southwest. They all require pre-approval for medical devices. 48 to 72 hours before your flight. Most seniors don't know this exists. You find out at the gate, tickets in hand, unable to board. Here's what to do. Contact your airline's accessibility desk at least 7 days before travel. Call the main number. Ask for accessibility services. Have ready your name and confirmation number, flight date and time, device name and model number, your doctor's name. Ask them to email the pre-approval form immediately. Fill it out while on the phone. Email only. No waiting. Get a doctor's note and print the device manual. Carry both documents. Reconfirm 24 hours before your flight. Systems glitch. Confirmations disappear. 1 phone call prevents disaster. Pro tip: carry a photo of your pre-approval on your phone and a printed copy. Show it proactively to the gate agent. Number 4. Dress code rules. This one sounds crazy, but it happens. American Airlines has secret dress codes in first class. They can bump you to economy if your outfit is inappropriate. You paid extra for first class. You're confident in comfortable travel clothes. A flight attendant approaches. Flip-flops aren't permitted. Move to economy or leave. Now you're being humiliated in front of 150 people. You're being moved from the seat you paid for. Everyone's watching. And the airline acts like it's your fault. Americans' conditions of carriage explicitly states they can refuse transport for inappropriate attire. That word is deliberately vague. Here's what to do. Check American's website before booking a premium cabin. Search dress code directly. Wear smart casual, closed-toe shoes, nice pants or skirt, button-up shirt. Think nice restaurant. Avoid flip-flops, tank tops, and athletic wear. If challenged, ask for a supervisor. Many waive the issue for seniors. Pro tip: screenshot any dress code policy you find. If challenged, show it and point out you're within guidelines. But here's the real move. Call the airline's VIP desk before your flight and ask directly what their dress code is. Most gate agents don't even know their own policy. Having it confirmed beforehand prevents the ambush entirely. Number 5. Mobility aid batteries. If you use a wheelchair, pay attention to this one. Southwest enforces strict lithium battery limits on motorized wheelchairs, maximum 300 watt-hours. The agent removes your battery. Your chair stays in cargo. You get pushed in a manual chair by airport staff. You're helpless. The FAA limits lithium batteries because they can catch fire. Airlines enforce this strictly, but they communicate terribly. Here's what to do. Call Southwest Special Assistance Line 10 days before traveling. Ask, what's your maximum lithium battery watt-hour limit for motorized wheelchairs? Write it down. Find your wheelchair's watt-hour rating. Look at the battery label. It should say BUH followed by a number. Tell the Southwest agent your exact watt-hour rating. Ask if it meets requirements. If yes, ask them to note it in your booking. Get a confirmation number. Carry printed copies of FAA battery regulations and your wheelchair manual. Pro tip: label your wheelchair battery clearly with the watt-hour rating using waterproof tape. This prevents arguments at the gate. But here's the move most people miss. Call the airline the day before your flight, not 10 days before, and ask them to have a supervisor review your battery in their system. When you arrive at the gate, the agent will already have a note saying your battery is approved. Zero friction. Number 6. In-flight behavior flags. Here's something nobody talks about. JetBlue flags seniors for minor in-flight behaviors from previous trips. Adjusting your bag during taxiing 3 years ago? Flagged. It stays in their system forever. On your next flight, you get unexpected scrutiny at check-in. Here's what to do. Follow crew instructions precisely on every flight. If involved in even a minor incident, ask the crew to clarify the policy. Get them to explain it clearly. This creates a paper trail. If flagged on a future flight, ask a supervisor to review the flag. Most supervisors dismiss minor flags, especially if you have a good travel history. Pro tip: document everything. After any flight incident, write it down immediately. Date it. Keep records. If flagged later, you'll have your own documentation to reference. Number 7. ID verification mismatches. This is critical. Delta enforces strict name matching between your government ID and your ticket. Even tiny discrepancies get rejected. Your legal name is Robert James Smith. Your driver's license says Robert James Smith, but your ticket says Robert J. Smith. You arrive at the airport, the agent scans your ID. Their faces change. These don't match. You can't board. Your flight leaves in 45 minutes. Here's what to do. When you book your flight, triple check that your ticket name matches your government ID exactly. Driver's license, passport, whatever ID you'll use, it must match perfectly. If you have a suffix like junior or third, make sure it appears on both your ID and ticket the same way. If you discover a mismatch after booking, call Delta immediately. Most airlines can correct name mismatches quickly if you call right away. Pro tip: when you arrive at the airport, bring your ID. Show it proactively to the agent when you check in. Policy number 8. Boarding pass format. Last one, and this affects nearly every senior who books online. Spirit Airlines rejects mobile boarding passes if they don't meet specific technical standards. You don't discover this until you're standing in front of 50 people with your phone. Here's what to do. Download your airline's official app before your trip. 2 weeks ago. Get comfortable with it. Go into the app. Find your booking. Download or save your boarding pass directly in the app. Print a physical copy of your boarding pass at home or at the airport. When you arrive at the gate, you have 2 options: the app on your phone or a printed copy. Pro tip: send yourself a digital copy of your boarding pass via email as well. If something goes wrong with the app, you can show the email or print it at the airport. But the real hack? Call the airline's phone line and ask them to send you a boarding pass via email before you even arrive. Most agents will do this in 30 seconds. You'll have 3 backup copies. They literally can't deny you. Now, here's what happens after you board. Most seniors make critical mistakes in the first 5 minutes. Mistakes that cost them comfort, safety, and money. I exposed all of them in my last video. What smart passengers do the moment they sit down. It changes everything. That video's playing next. And trust me, don't miss it, because the first 60 seconds after boarding matter more than you think.